Today, we're diving into some of the best high-return investment options for beginners. If you're looking to grow your money without overwhelming risks, this video is for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on life-changing financial insights. Index funds are one of the simplest ways to start investing. Did you know? Index funds in the US have returned around 10% annually on average over the past 90 years. These funds mirror major market indexes like the S&P 500, offering a diversified approach that minimizes risk. Low fees, diversified across hundreds of companies, and historically stable growth. Even Warren Buffett recommends these as a starter investment for new investors. In 2023, over 50% of American households had money in mutual funds, largely in index funds. ETFs offer a similar approach to index funds but can be traded throughout the day like stocks. Many beginners start with broad ETFs like the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, which has delivered an average return of around 13% annually over the last decade. Low entry costs and a range of options allow beginners to choose investments based on personal interests or values. Investing in sector-specific ETFs can align with personal beliefs like renewable energy or tech while growing wealth. REITs let you invest in real estate without needing massive capital. Companies like Realty Income Corporation focus on high-quality real estate assets and distribute nearly 90% of their taxable income as dividends to investors. You can tap into real estate, enjoy high dividends, and avoid the headaches of property management. Over the last 25 years, America's REITs have averaged an annual return of 11.7%, beating traditional real estate investments. High-yield savings accounts offer a low-risk way to keep money liquid while earning higher interest than traditional savings accounts. Many online banks offer rates 10 times higher, sometimes yielding 3 to 4% annually. Great for people who want their money accessible yet growing faster than in a standard bank account. Some high-yield accounts compound interest daily, maximizing your returns. Lending directly to borrowers, platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses and receive interest payments in return. Potential returns range from 5 to 12% depending on the borrower's risk level. You can start with small amounts, diversify loans, and manage risk effectively. In 2022, P2P lending hit a global market value of over $400 billion, highlighting its growth among modern investors. Dividend stocks pay you a portion of the company's earnings regularly. Companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson have been known to consistently increase dividends for decades. Regular payouts plus stock value appreciation make dividend stocks a beginner-friendly choice with income potential. Dividend stocks historically outperform non-dividend stocks over the long term. Bonds are essentially loans you give to governments or corporations receiving interest over time. US Treasury bonds are very low risk and backed by the government, while corporate bonds from companies like Apple or Microsoft offer higher returns with slightly more risk. Bonds provide a steady income stream with minimal risk, making them a safe addition to any portfolio. The global bond market is valued at over $100 trillion, a testament to its stability and popularity. Robo-Advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use algorithms to manage your investments based on risk preferences and goals. With minimal fees, they're perfect for new investors looking for professional guidance without the high costs. Automated, low-cost, and tailored to individual goals, making investing as simple as setting it and forgetting it. In 2023, the assets under management by Robo-Advisors globally were valued at over $2 trillion. Fractional shares allow you to buy a fraction of a stock, making it possible to own high-priced stocks from companies like Amazon or Tesla without needing hundreds or thousands of dollars. Offers flexibility to build a portfolio even with limited funds, allowing investment in top companies on a budget. Fractional share platforms have made investing accessible to millions of small-scale investors worldwide. While high-risk, cryptocurrency has been one of the most talked about asset classes of the last decade. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most well-known and offer high potential returns, though they are highly volatile. Good for those willing to take on some risk with small amounts and learn about emerging financial tech. The global cryptocurrency market cap surpassed $2 trillion in 2023, showing its growing popularity. If you found these beginner investment ideas helpful, hit that subscribe button and join us at Money Mechanism for more money-making tips. Remember, investing is a journey, so research, consider your goals, and take action wisely. The journey to financial freedom starts here.